Hi, my name is Neil Joshimpulle, and this is a demo of a project I worked on in order to learn AI. And basically what it does is it uses the Gemini API in order to translate text, PDFs, Excels, and CSVs. The project was created using Python and prompt engineering, and so it will be able to do a variety of things, and I will show you it in action right now. Here it's, I'm going to say my name is Neilin, and we're going to translate it to Spanish. Translate and convert. And see, me llamo Neilin. And also,
Me llamo Nilan.
it could play it. And if you want, you could download the audio of it, and it'll download, and then you could play it. Alright, so now I'll give you a demo of the PDF. We'll browse files. So I will look for my project folder and test upload files, and this is a PDF I want to translate, and we're going to translate it to Spanish. And as you can see, it has the actual text here. You could download the translated PDF as well, and you can play.
Este es un documento de traducción de prueba.
And now we will do the same for a CSV file. Let's keep it simple. Delete the content. We'll add a CSV. We're going to translate this content to, and as you can see, the content of the CSV is displayed here. Excel files would work in a very similar manner, and we're going to convert these words into Spanish. And boom, so it's translated the CSV into a Spanish version of the CSV. And yeah, that's a translator app that I built using Gemini and Streamlit frontend and Python. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will be building quite a few more things in the future that are increasingly more complicated.